So we're a complete packaging solution provider to restaurants and hotels. We've been supplying sustainable packaging for the last 10 years, and about 2 years back, we also started packaging design, brand development.
Sorry, your look will be towards me, yeah?
Okay, okay.
It's an interview.
All right. So we started doing sustainable packaging supplies 10 years back to all restaurants, hotels in India. And we are a 360-degree solution provider for packaging needs. 2 years back, we also launched a packaging design studio by the name of Pact, and we do like complete brand creations, packaging design, graphic design for a lot of brands in that aspect as well.
Okay. If you could tell us five takeaways from your learning and experience as a startup and being founders. What were the learnings? 5 things basically for small businesses they should be doing, and 5 things they should not be doing.
I would say 5 things. I would say the most important thing is do it with honesty. Don't try to fool your customer. Be open about what you actually do. Be ready to put in a lot of hard work. Like I know that we have been here since 4 in the morning today, just taking care of setting up our stall, and we're really happy with how our stall came about. How it all came. So we are putting that extra effort. I think everybody has to do that. I think also we can say that customer is so important in the whole sphere of business that you should always value their inputs. Events like this helps you engage with so many new customers, learn their feedbacks on spot. So it's like great learning. I think
Also have an intention when you're starting your company, right? Like it just shouldn't be about the money, but it should be about something you're really passionate about, and then obviously growth will always come, but you should really stick to it. One also, try and always innovate. Like everyone, the food industry now has grown so much and will keep continuing to grow, and I think everybody should just now strive and go towards try and get more sustainable, or try and grow in a good direction to produce probably more technology related applications or products, or packaging.
How did you choose packaging?
So we started with we started designing for brands that require. We saw a niche. We understood that there was a niche where we wanted to create innovative concepts for brands where they would also be very unique for Indian market, as you know. And now we also know that because of Corona as well, and also the boom in the food industry, we know that home delivery or food delivery has become such a big market, and everybody wants everything delivered instantly, and they want it to look amazing, as good as they would eat at a restaurant. So we realized that we were really good at this, and we also had a very good back end, as Papco is the company that he also runs, and with the collaboration, I think we were really so Pact. That's a design company. So we are 2 years old now, and we've seen amazing response for it as well. So it's been
2 years, you are validated, you have scaled. What are your plans now, and what would be your understanding of this industry as you go? 2002 looks a bit, better than the last 2 years.
See, we have a simple objective. Our objective is to simplify the packaging piece as much as possible for restaurants and hotels. So that means simplification in the order quantities, simplification in the delivery timelines, and we're constantly innovating so that the buyer or the client never has to come to a packaging supplier and go I want a concept like that. We want to be the company that tells him that before you imagined it, we had it ready. So I think that's our future plan, to keep innovating and keep creating new designs that simplify that procurement so much for the buyer that 2 years, 3 years down the line, he just has to think of the menu and his packaging is already ready in the market before he's decided.
आप लोग का range क्या है? Is it Delhi? Is it North India? Pan? What are you planning physically in terms of your service?
From a design point of view, डिज़ाइन के तरफ से देखें तो हमारा मार्केट ग्लोबल है. हमने ग्लोबली भी काफ़ी ब्रांड्स के लिए डिज़ाइनिंग की है. यूएस, कनाडा, काफ़ी किचन्स हैं, काफ़ी रेस्टोरेंट ब्रांड्स हैं वहाँ पे जहाँ के लिए हमने ब्रांडिंग क्रिएट की है, पैकेजिंग डिज़ाइन क्रिएट की है. पैकेजिंग सप्लाईज़ भी हम इंडिया से बाहर करते हैं, बट पैकेजिंग सप्लाईज़ में हमारा कोर मार्केट इंडिया है. वी हैव डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, मतलब पैन इंडिया है. हम श्रीनगर भी पहुँचाते हैं मटीरियल, हम शिलोंग भी पहुँचाते हैं. इनफैक्ट शिलोंग वी हैव a huge customer base. हमारे मैक्सिमम न्यू ग्रोथ क्लाइंट्स वहीं से आ रहे हैं. और वो मार्केट भी काफ़ी बूम हो रहा है आज की डेट में. सो प्रेजेंस डिलीवरी में पैन इंडिया है और डिज़ाइन में इट्स ग्लोबल.
आपने शिलोंग की बात की, इसके बारे में और बताइए कि ये क्यों बूम हो रहा है. शिलोंग इज नोन एज द नॉर्थ ईस्ट, आई मीन स्कॉटलैंड ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट. व्हाई डू यू थिंक दैट्स बूमिंग?
See, I've never been there, so I don't know why it's booming, but I can tell you that some.
इंडस्ट्री स्पेसिफिक, जैसे आपने कहा पैकेजिंग बूम हो रहा है, सो दैट्स स्पेसिफिक.
Yeah, so see, obviously the market is booming because I think tourism is booming there. And there are a lot of young people out there that are coming up with such creative concepts, right? I think like art flows in that part. So even if you see the food brands coming up there, they're very conceptual. The interiors are so nice and they are willing to invest in packaging. Means like young brands in Bombay, in Delhi might still find it hard to think, you know, beyond that price calculation ki ye 10 rupees या 20 rupees की packaging लेनी है. But in Shillong, they are putting design first. Like I think that's part of the founder's psyche, you know. I think that's in the psyche there. Creativity is important. And sustainability is a very important part because they are so close to that ecological route. So we are seeing a big boom in sustainable packaging demand from there.
और लास्ट क्वेश्चन, आपने सस्टेनेबिलिटी की बात की तो हम देख रहे हैं बहुत कुछ सस्टेनेबिलिटी की तरफ हो रहा है. ईवीज आ रहे हैं, द मिशन इज 2030 एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. इस पे आपको क्या लगता है, डू यू थिंक अ फोरम नीड्स टू बी सेट फॉर सस्टेनेबिलिटी पैकेजिंग? बिकॉज as the industry is going, you know, the roughage, I mean the material that has to be thrown away, the dustbin material, so to say, your plastics and papers, all of that is part and parcel of this industry. Do you think a forum or association as such is required that you can start off sooner?
So definitely, see, that is like the one of the negatives of food packaging growth, which is that the waste is also growing. So sustainability is the most important conversation today, and there has to be not one but as many forums, city specific, area specific, they have to be, that can work towards solving the problem at a micro scale, and then, you know, the solutions will automatically come. So sustainability for sure, like we've been in sustainable packaging for 10 years now. We know how important that conversation is, what the data is on the single-use plastic stats, and there is a lot the government is doing also today, and there's a lot that brand owners themselves are doing, and there's a lot more that customers are doing. Customers are leaving negative feedback today for plastic packaging. They are congratulating brands that are not using plastic. So change is happening, but forums can really speed it up.
Okay. Who all can approach you? Is it only brands or बहुत ही छोटे लेवल के एक ठेले वाला can also approach you? How is your price like?
So price-wise, see, our approachability starts with anybody that has a vision for their brand. We supply to even a home kitchen that requires 50 pieces, you know, for servicing like small orders, all the way up to your top chain clients, you know, your coffee chains, your burger chains in India. They all buy packaging from us. So we service the whole range, and price points, we are the most competitive price point brand in sustainable packaging in India. So if you want sustainable packaging, we are ready to give you the price that is the best in the market.
Thank you.